Okay, this is where I took the video. I don't know if you guys remember the birds, and there was a lone cow in the field. Do you remember that one? This is neutral. And that one of the birds flew right into the tree where the Sasqtatch was. Let's see if he's still there. Who's that? I mean, can you believe that there are possibly vines that big? Because I sure... Look at this guy. There's one eye. He's getting ready to turn around the tree. Oh, look! Look at the little whoopee! Oh my god, he's so cute. It's probably a full-grown adult just inside the tree, but that's exactly what it is. Wait. There's something behind there. Look at that cluster, you know what? Uh-oh, it's starting to go, it's getting wavy. See that? I just got in. I just got in the dimension. Shit. Look at it. Look how everything looks so weird. Not over here. Well, right there. Yeah, trees don't grow like this, guys. Yeah, well, I mean, there's only one reason I can think that it would do that. I see a little green. Okay, there's a portal bird. Oh my god. That would be why. Yeah, look. Oh my god, you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's go. Oh my god, it's still going. About 8 or 9 portals, and they're all going into this, into that, or vertical line right there, right down. That's weird. The door's up here. Oh, look who they're bringing in. Nah, that's the background. Oh, right there. I see the 2 black eyes. Weird looking door, though. Uh-oh. Oh, was that a tractor going by up there? What is that? What the hell am I looking at? Is that a cow? What the Wait a minute. You guys just saw that moving, right? Right there? What is that? Hold on. That better be a freaking cow or something. What was that? Wait. Because I remember there was a lone cow in the field. Yeah. Well, that would explain the cow. Okay, we just cleared that up. Yeah, there it is. That scared the crap out of me. Huh. Okay, I'm not seeing a building, though. That's the top of the field. I gotta move up more because it looks like a freaking machine. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, that's a cow. More than one. But what's that white thing that just popped up in the middle? Why is it so freaking cloudy? Okay, this is freaking me out. That doesn't look like a cow now. And they're looking right at me. What the fuck? I'm sorry, this place is really weird. Okay, now here's somebody coming in right here. Look, you can't see it. Why is it doing that? That is so strange. Okay, let me see what I can see. Let me get my glasses on. That would help. What the hell is that up there? Okay, where am I pointing at? Okay, there's a big cluster right there now. Okay, look at that. They're going down, and see that thing behind it? Oh, look at him, he's putting his head out. That's where they're going in. They're going in, they're coming down, and they're probably going right into the ground. Just look, they're splitting up. Look at this tree. It doesn't even have a bottom to it. What the hell? This tree right here. That thing's going into, or it was already in. There's no bottom to it. It's just a couple of... That's fucked up. And it's off of fat, isn't it? And look, it's going right... Yeah, it's going right in that from that tree. See, now if you think about it, okay, you're walking around. You're not seeing any of that. That's way high. So you're just walking around. The trees always look the same because they never hit the ground. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Okay, yeah, we're in a dimension now. Again. Look at this. I suppose that's a cow in a tree. I don't think so. I've never seen anything like that. What the hell is it? Peekaboo! What else am I supposed to say? But look, it almost looks like, I mean, it's all closed in there. What the hell's that up in the tree? I can't get any further. That's something pretty big too. And there's your bird, frame of a big bird. There's the, oh my god, there's the thing. What do you call it? Now look at the bird turning. Pretend that's the bird. You see it? See the beak? You're looking at the frame. There's the head, here's the beak. That beak is putting, and then it goes around in a circle, and then it goes to right there, and then it goes down to the ground. And burnt black wood. Alright, this bird is dissipating quickly. What I'm saying is it's the mama bird. I don't know if it's dimensional. It's got to be dimensional, so I don't know if they have ships or not. But it goes all the way over there. Wow. It's not galactic, it's dimensional, so... Look, it's gone already. There it is. Wow, look at that. That's being squeezed through that portal right there. Shut up with the fucking phone. And what is this hanging off there? It is definitely ancient. What's going on up here? My god, look at it. It's not even letting me see it. Look at that guy. And there's okay, there's a piece of colored wood that I've never seen right there, and it's shaped like, I don't know what. There's a dimensional, there's a portal bird right there. Damn, that's big. What are you bringing in? Where's your partners? These are not archeries. It's like that. I'm gonna know what that is. Okay, there's one. Now there's the other one. You see the other one behind the tree? The black thing right next to it to the left? That's the second portal bird. Because it's vertical. The third one's coming in. It's the white head. That looks like a serpent, though. Wait a minute. Oh, look at that. That's a freaking... That's an alien, if I ever seen one. In the white. Looks like a white squash, almost. Although now it's separating. You see the head separating? Now it's separating into two.